Without shafts, motors cannot transmit power, gearboxes cannot rotate, and most industrial machines simply stop working. A shaft is a rotating machine element used to transmit power, motion, and torque from one component to another. Mechanical shafts are usually cylindrical and made from strong steel materials because they continuously experience rotational loads. When a motor rotates, the shaft carries rotational energy to other machine components. Torque travels through the shaft to drive pulleys, gears, pumps, turbines, and conveyors. Different machines use different shaft designs. Mechanical shafts are rotating or stationary machine elements designed to transmit power, support rotating components, or guide tools. Different machines require specific shaft types based on how they handle loads, such as bending, torsion, and axial forces, and weight. The specific types of shafts used across various machines and their primary applications include 1. Solid shaft, example like machine tool spindles. Hollow shafts used in high-speed machines, aircraft and advanced automotive drivetrains etc. where weight reduction is critical. Stepped shaft, extensively used in gearboxes and engines. Transmission shafts, examples are drive or propeller shafts. Machine shafts, examples are crankshafts and jack shafts or countershaft. Specialized and structural shafts, examples are flexible shafts used in rotary tools like dental drills and flexible concrete vibrators. Axles while strictly support rotating wheels. Without transmitting rotational power, torque, line shafts, historically used in older factories etc. Shafts experience twisting, bending, vibration, and fatigue loads. Most industrial shafts are made from carbon steel or alloy steel for high strength. A shaft may look simple, but during operation, it experiences multiple forces at the same time. Mechanical shafts can rotate continuously, or sometimes remain stationary while supporting rotating components. The main purpose of a shaft is to transmit power and torque from one machine element to another. The most important load on a shaft is torsional load. When the shaft transmits power, it twists under torque. This twisting action creates shear stress inside the shaft material. T is equal to F multiplied by R. Components like gears, pulleys, and couplings apply torque to the shaft during rotation. While rotating, shafts also experience bending loads. These loads are created by the weight of gears, pulleys, flywheels, and chain sprockets. Belt tension and gear forces bend the shaft during operation. This produces tensile stress on one side and compressive stress on the other. Some shafts also experience axial loads. These forces act parallel to the shaft centerline. Axial loads commonly occur in vertical shafts, helical gear systems, and thrust-bearing applications. Transverse or shear load. In many machines, shafts are also subjected to transverse or shear forces. These forces act sideways on the shaft, especially near gears and pulleys. When combined together, torsion, bending, axial, and shear loads make shaft design a critical engineering task. Bearings support the shaft and reduce friction. Couplings connect shafts to motors and rotating systems. This combination creates real power transmission systems. In modern industry, mechanical shafts are among the most important rotating machine elements. They transmit power, torque, and motion from a driving source, such as an electric motor or engine, to driven components like pumps, conveyors, turbines, wheels, and gear systems. During operation, shafts must survive heavy torsional forces, bending loads, dynamic vibrations, automotive and transportation. In automotive and transportation systems, shafts play a vital role in power delivery. Drive shafts transfer rotational power from the engine and transmission to the wheels. Inside engines, crankshafts convert the linear motion of pistons into rotational motion, while camshafts precisely control valve timing for efficient engine operation. Manufacturing and machining. In manufacturing industries, precision shafts are essential for machining operations. Spindle shafts used in CNC machines, lathes, milling machines, and grinders rotate at high speeds while maintaining exceptional rigidity and accuracy. In printing, textile, and paper industries, expandable shafts are widely used to grip and unwind material rolls smoothly during production. Power generation. In power plants, shafts transfer enormous amounts of energy. Turbine shafts in wind, hydroelectric, and thermal power stations carry torque from turbine blades directly into electrical generators. These shafts operate under extremely high loads and demanding conditions. Fluid handling and processing. In pumps, rotating shafts drive impellers to move fluids through pipelines and industrial systems. In chemical, pharmaceutical, and food processing industries, mixer and agitator shafts rotate blades to blend materials continuously. Because these environments may involve moisture, chemicals, or corrosion, stainless steel shafts are commonly used. Material handling systems. In automated factories and warehouse, conveyor shafts drive rollers and belts that transport raw materials, packages, and manufactured products. These systems require reliable shafts capable of operating continuously for long production cycles. Material selection in industry. To match different industrial environments, engineers carefully select shaft materials. Carbon steel shafts are widely used for standard heavy-duty machinery because of their strength and cost-effectiveness. Stainless steel shafts are preferred in marine, food processing, and pharmaceutical industries due to their excellent corrosion resistance. In aerospace, robotics, and high-performance systems, lightweight materials such as aluminum and titanium are used to reduce weight while maintaining strength. Conclusion transition. From automobiles and CNC machines to turbines, pumps, and conveyors, mechanical shafts quietly power the modern industrial world. And in the next section, we'll see how shafts actually transmit power inside machines. Join our upcoming YouTube live session starting 14th June 2026 every Sunday to learn Mechanical Designing by SolidWorks 2026 from sketching to professional 3D modeling, assembly and drawing creation etc. and live interactive discussions, practical examples, and real engineering learning. Subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next live session. Follow for more practical engineering videos. If you found this video useful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive future engineering-related updates.